So let's talk a little bit about equivalent expressions. Equivalent expressions. So equivalent expressions, equivalent means equal. Well, these don't look equal. Negative 10 divided by negative 5 or 10 minus 8, those don't look the same. Well, negative 10 divided by negative 5 is 2. Well, what's 10 subtract 8? Isn't it also 2? Notice that each expression has the same value. That is how you determine if two expressions are equivalent. So they are considered equivalent if their value is the same. Sometimes you have to simplify first. And remember, simplify means that you do all the mathematical operations you can until you cannot do any more. That is fully simplified. So we're going to simplify a few just to make sure that we do everything that we're supposed to do, and we're going to follow our order of operations. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So we have to do what's inside parentheses first. So 12 minus 3 is 9, and we've still got multiplied by 2. So 9 times 2 is 18. And since there is nothing more we can do, this is completely simplified. 63 divided by, notice there's a parentheses on the bottom of the fraction. That doesn't matter. You have to start with the parentheses first. So we're going to write the 63, and 11 minus 2, that gives us 9. And now we can go ahead and we can divide, because that is a mathematical operation that we are able to do. So we must, if we're simplifying. And now 7, there is nothing more mathematically that I can do, so it is completely simplified. Again, we have parentheses, so we do that first. So 8 minus 8 is 0. So this one's a pretty simple one. 0 plus 14, of course, we're going to end up with 14. And again, there is nothing more that we can do to 14, mathematically speaking, and so it is simplified. Now here we have parentheses on top and parentheses on bottom. Does it matter which parentheses we do first? No, it absolutely doesn't. We can do the top, then the bottom, doesn't matter. So 5 subtract 6 is going to give us negative 1. And negative 3 plus 4 is going to give us positive 1. Negative 1 divided by 1 going to give us negative 1. And that's our lesson on equivalent expressions.